All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about flows. So we have my flows, team flows, business process flows, and then UI flows. So flows give you the ability to pick a bunch of steps or processes and automate them. So for example, you can save Office 365 email attachments to OneDrive for business, get today's weather forecast from my current location, get a push notification when you receive an email from your boss, and send a customized email when a new file is added. Okay, so that's for my teams. Now team flows, we get the same thing, and then business process, we don't have a database. UI flows, we don't have a database set up for that. Now this menu right here, data, we're going to do this in a separate section because there's so many menus inside of here, submenus. So I'm just going to put that in a separate section. So if I click on new, we can create from a template, automated from blank, instant from blank, schedule from blank, and then business process. So let's click on create it from template. So we have PowerApps button, send approval email follow-up via email. So let's click on that one. All right, so let's create the flow. We'll let that load. And there you go. So now we have a flow and we can run this. So we'll hit continue just to test it to make sure it works. Okay, approver to email. So let's send an email to ourselves here. So I'll do J Werner. Okay, and then results follow up to email. We'll use the same one, J Werner. Okay, we'll run the flow. Your flow successfully started. To monitor it, go to flow runs page. All right, so I'll click on that. And what it's going to do is take us to Power Automate, and it failed. Okay. And then let's go to all runs. Okay, so yes, are you sure you want to resubmit this flow run? Yes. So let's try it again. Okay, flow run failed. That's bizarre. Okay, so I'll go back and let's try automated from blank. Okay, so when we're automated from blank, we can create our own flow. So we'll do SharePoint file creation. Okay, so when a new item is created, okay, so let's hit create. And then what it's going to do is it's going to connect to SharePoint. Okay, and site address. And actually, I don't think I have a SharePoint site, so let me delete this real quick. And let's do one that I'm already using. So let's use one that I know will work right off the get-go. So let's use, let's go through here and let's find one that I know for sure will work. So if I go back and we go down here, let's grab one from OneDrive for business when a file is created. Okay, I know that one will work. So I'll click on that. Okay, so let me go back here. So we'll do automated from blank, and then when a file is created, there we go. We'll create it, and then we'll go to OneDrive, and we'll select sample. Okay, and then I'm going to do a new step. So then we'll get an email, we'll get a notification, So let's find a get email. No available storage method found. Really? Okay, well, the flow that we want to create is get emails or get email, and then we want to run that. So when we create a file, we'll get an email from Outlook. Okay, so I'll save that. I have no errors there, so I'll go back. And okay. And then the next one we're going to talk about is instant from blank. So this one triggered manually from any device, easy to share, instant flows, automate tasks so you don't have to repeat yourself. Get an automatic mobile alert when a VIP client emails you. Save all your email attachments to a folder automatically. So let's do that. Let's go to first selected file on OneDrive for Business. Okay, so okay. And then we have scheduled, so you can schedule a task. So stay on top of what's important without the effort. You choose when and how often the flow runs. So I create. Okay, then I'll go back and let's do the business process from blank. No database found. Business process flow requires a common data service. Okay, so there you go. That's the flows menu. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.